Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Scallion oil noodles are a very popular home-cooked noodle dish that originated in Shanghai of China. For office workers or people who don't have time to cook, scallion oil noodles are friendly. Let's get started. Prepare 35 grams of scallions, cut into sections, and separate the whites and leaves. Ten tablespoons of oil, pour into the pot, heat over low heat. Add green onion whites first. When they begin to change color, add green onion leaves. Be sure to use low heat until the green onions turn golden brown, then turn off the heat. Remove the green onions. At this time, the onions have become very dry and have no moisture. The oil has a tangy onion aroma. Prepare 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. The amount of sugar depends on your own habits, or you may not add it. Add dark soy sauce and sugar to the light soy sauce and mix well with chopsticks. Wait for the onion oil to cool down, then pour it into the onion oil, turn on the heat, bring to a boil, then turn off the heat. The fragrant scallion oil is ready. You can make more scallion oil at a time, and it can be stored in the refrigerator for a month. With scallion oil, it's so easy to make scallion oil noodles, right? Prepare 150 grams of noodles, boil a pot of water, add noodles, boil until cooked through. The time depending on the thickness of the noodles. Add scallion oil to the noodles, add more or less according to your own taste. Mix well with chopsticks. A quick and easy bowl of scallion oil noodles is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.